All right, we are on video number 75 now. That is insane. It does not feel like I've made almost 100 videos. I just want to say thank you guys so much for all your love and support on my past couple videos. A lot of new people coming in, so I hope you're really enjoying this. So yeah, we got boulder shoulders today. So let's just get right into it. But first we gotta look like we actually go to the gym, you know? So let's do that. There we go. Come on. All right, I'm just going to pick up an energy drink because we ran out at the house, so we got to pick up more. But for now, going to pick one up here. All right, we're back. You guys know I love the peach monsters, but you know, I had to branch out a bit because I never branch out and I never try new flavors. I like staying in my little comfort zone, but we cannot be doing that. So we got this monster right here. This is the Ultra Vice Guava. So we're gonna be testing it right here, right now. Oh, it's actually pretty good. Oh, okay. Oh my God! All right, I'm on a shoulder press machine right now. Just gotta feel out the movement, get your muscles moving, get the blood flowing. So yeah, we'll start off with Smith machine, do 3 sets of that, then a cable lateral raise, then a rear delt focused kind of rope pull, cable pull thing. But I just found this rear delt exercise that I've been really liking, and I've never seen anyone do them like this before. So I don't know, but yeah, let's start this out. There's a lot of talk about what grip to use for shoulder press. A lot of people like to go more neutral grip or more pronated grip. I don't really have a preference, honestly. They both feel good for me. So do whatever feels most comfortable for you. They're gonna do the exact same thing, so. All right, making sure we're warming up properly because my shoulders are always so cooked all the time, and I just don't warm them up. Enough. So always be smart about your warm up. Just got a 25 on here, nothing crazy. Get my body warmed up and prepared. Shoulder press, Smith machine, 175 for. That is 7. That's a PR. So yeah, we'll rest up like, I kind of found that like a minute and like 45 to 2 minutes is kind of my sweet spot for my rest time. So I'm gonna wait that and then go again. Got 6 on that one, so now hopefully for this last set I get 5 or 6. Third set, possible last set. I might do a 4th set here just because this is feeling awesome for me. So why would I go to a different movement if this is feeling good? All right, we got cable lateral raises next. These ones I really like to do. These ones I really like to do with the TNF cuff straps. I feel like I really feel these when my elbow is bent 90 degrees. I just feel that my shoulders a lot more than just coming straight out. I'll show you what that looks like in a second. All right, moving on to rear delts now. This was the rope cable thing that I was talking about earlier. I just really feel it in my rear delts, so that's why I've been doing it lately. You can try it out for yourself if you struggle to feel your rear delts in anything. Basically, just make sure your arms are able to fully extend out, get that good stretch, and then almost pull your elbows back and up. Really try to squeeze it at the top. Just really feel it, just so you can really feel it in your rear delts. All right, just like that, we're back over here. Now, you're probably thinking, well, isn't this literally the same exact movement as the Smith machine shoulder press? Yes, but with this machine and a Smith machine, they're just a little bit different to where you're gonna hit your muscles just at a tiny bit of a different angle, just getting a little bit of variety in there to really, one, just mix it up so I'm not doing 8 sets of Smith machine shoulder press, but also just kind of variation of making sure I'm working out my whole muscle, everything's getting worked, and all that good stuff. So yeah. Come on, come on. Oh, God. Oh. All right, last set of these. My front delts are absolutely trashed right now. So that's a good thing. All right, this is actually a trap machine, but I'm going to be using it for rear delts because I feel my rear delts the most might come more up instead of coming back like that. So this is like actually really perfect for me. That honestly felt really good. So probably do 2 more sets of that. And then we're done with this shoulder day. What a shoulder day. Holy. Usually I don't have shoulder days like that. I don't really like training shoulders. They're just kind of boring for me, but that was actually a really solid day. I really enjoyed that. My weight went up, so I'm getting stronger, so that's awesome. Gonna go back home now, go get some food, probably do some homework since finals are coming up. But just gotta push through this little month, and then we got summer, and then that's gonna be awesome. That's gonna be That'd be horrible.
Great shot, Zetsu.
Yeah. Oh my god. Not too bad.
That was a great spin.
And look what I got with my tickets. This cute little green baby car.